So Tom Brady, bless his heart, thinks that he can protect himself from getting a sunburn by drinking lots of water. That is biologically implausible. It is the equivalent of saying the earth is flat or that there is a physical equation for recharging jade eggs with the energy of the moon. This is really dangerous advice because kids don't need an extra excuse not to wear sunscreen. So what happens when you're exposed to the sun is that ultraviolet B radiation damages your DNA. And this damage produces inflammatory mediators, which end up producing the inflammation that you see as the sunburn. In addition, what happens is your skin will start churning out more melanin. Melanin acts like a physical barrier to disperse ultraviolet B radiation. And some of us have less melanin and some of us have more melanin to begin with. Tom's probably more in my category, but the melanin will protect your skin and help to reduce some of the damage. But melanin production in the form of a tan is the sign of skin injury. So it's not a positive thing. A tan is not a good thing. The thinking that you can push water into cells in the way that Tom Brady thinks is biologically also not correct and really reflects the idea that Tom has a difficulty understanding perhaps inflation physics. So water in the cell can't protect your DNA. It's not a shield. Water can't protect you from ultraviolet B radiation. Water's not going to reduce the inflammatory mediators from the DNA damage, and water is not going to increase melanin production. The things that you need to do to protect your skin are to try to avoid sun exposure between 10 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, wear a hat and wear sunscreen. I know that doesn't sound very sexy, but that's the way it is, and frankly, I think it's really unethical for someone like Tom Brady to promote such a fallacy because there are going to be a lot of kids who are going to follow his advice. So really, don't be like Tom Brady. Do not drink 25 glasses of water a day and really follow a dermatologist to protect your skin, not someone who has a really poor understanding of inflation physics.